Last week at the grocery store, we found baby bananas. They've been bright green. They finally are starting to ripen up, so we're going to try them out. What do you think of those little bananas?
They're
Cute.
small.
Cute.
They're the size of my hand.
This one's so small.
Try them out.
I don't like them. Just try it. It's a banana.
Taste a bite, Em.
Tastes like banana.
It tastes kind of like a weird banana, but it's still kind of
It's a lot more creamy in there. I like it.
Yeah.
Because I like bananas.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Tastes pretty much like a banana, but a little bit different.
Can you eat this banana?
What's different about it?
Like the texture in the middle, it's way softer than actual banana.
Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Which kind do you prefer?
Probably regular.
These. I like them.
So 1 vote for regular, 1 vote for baby.
But I would eat both. If they're offered, I would eat either one, because it pretty much tastes the same.
Guys.
Emmett, are you going to bite this banana?
No. It's a banana.
Here, it's just a regular banana. Try a bite.
I like big bananas.
Here, I'll try. And now you try a bite of a banana.
I like big
Just try it.
ones.
Try 1 bite and then I'll get you a big one.
No.
It's just your size.
But it's not. See? I'm bigger than it.
Well, I know.
See?
I see you are bigger than it, but it's a kid-sized banana. Come on,
It's
give it a
yummy.
try.
That was fun. But I'm bigger than it.
How is it?
Look. 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 Look.
Do you like it?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ah.